Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, I am thrilled to share with you 9 proven steps to become wealthy from nothing. Yes, you heard me right, from nothing. I used to be just like you, struggling to make ends meet and dreaming of a life of abundance. But through dedication, hard work, and following these proven steps, I was able to turn my life around and achieve financial success beyond my wildest dreams. Step 1. Set clear goals. Define what wealth means to you and create a roadmap to get there. Visualize your success and let that vision drive you forward. Step 2. Develop a wealth mindset. Believe in your ability to achieve wealth and abundance. Surround yourself with positive influences and affirmations that reinforce your success mindset. Step 3. Save and invest wisely. Cut unnecessary expenses, live below your means, and put your money to work for you through smart investments. Wealth is not just about how much you earn, but how much you keep and grow. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Step 4. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Continuously expand your skill set, stay informed about financial trends, and seek mentorship from successful individuals in your desired field. Step 5. Take calculated risks. Great wealth often requires stepping out of your comfort zone and taking calculated risks. Be willing to embrace uncertainty and learn from your failures. Step 6. Build multiple streams of income. Diversify your sources of income to protect yourself against economic uncertainties and maximize wealth-building opportunities. Step 7. Practice gratitude and generosity. The key to lasting wealth is not just accumulating money but also giving back to those in need. Cultivate a mindset of gratitude and generosity that will attract more abundance into your life. Step 8. Network and build relationships. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who support your goals and can open doors to new opportunities. Your network is your net worth. Step 9. Take action. Dreams without action are just wishes. Commit to taking consistent, focused action towards your financial goals every day. Success is not an overnight journey, but a series of small steps taken consistently. Thank you for joining me on this journey to financial empowerment. Remember, wealth is not just about money, it's about mindset, action, and purpose. Stay focused, stay motivated, and watch as your wealth grows from nothing to abundance.